This is a review of the Soda flip-flops for women that we are going to be doing a unboxing review on. And in this unboxing review, we're going to show you guys what you get inside, and from there we are going to do a test fit. So without going further, let's unbox this and show you guys what you get inside. Okay, so here is the Soda flip-flops, and you can see it has the engraved logo right over here. The straps right over here to put on your feet, they're like a Velcro material. They are super soft as well too. And then you can see the engraved logo right over here it comes with. Then on the bottom of it, you can see it's just like that. It looks very high quality. And one thing I love the fact, this is for my mom, and she does, mention that this is extremely comfortable. And you can see how it looks like on the sides. You can see, really high quality. This one right over here on the sides, on the back, and then right from here, it has like the Velcro straps. But what we're gonna do now is that we are going to do a test fit to show you guys how it is when you wear it on. Okay, so here's the finished results of the Soda flip-flops that my mom is wearing, and you can see that the Velcro straps are really high quality and they are strapped in, so it's not like going to fall off or anything like that. And then number two, what I love about it is the fact that it also gives you a boost in height as well too. You can see right over here that it makes you look taller as well, so that's a huge plus about this as well. Another thing I do love, want to mention is that, like I told you guys before, the comfortability is extremely, comfortable. My mom mentioned that it doesn't feel like you're wearing any flip-flops, and, that's how comfortable it is. Now, we're going to do like a test run to show you guys that, you could walk around with it as well too. And you could see that how comfortable it is when my mom's walking with it. And now she's coming back with it as well too, you could see. And overall, I would definitely recommend these flip-flops if you're looking for, some flip-flops to wear every single day and any type of environment, and you're wanting something that's very comfortable. These flip-flops from Soda is probably one of the best ones to get, and I would definitely recommend these Soda flip-flops.